upload files and folders, copy or move them to other locations, share with anyone, and more via the web. All devices, files, and folders backed up to your iDrive account appear under the Cloud Backup tab. Go to the Sync and Cloud Storage tab to directly upload files and folders to any location within your account, and even create a new folder. Further options on folder operations appear when you select a particular folder. You can share it, make another copy of it, move it to another location, or delete it. You can perform a similar set of operations on any file backed up to your iDrive account. After you perform a file or folder operation, a confirmation message appears. Navigate to the More tab and click Timeline. The timeline displays all the photos and videos uploaded via the mobile devices, sorted by date. The photos and videos are sorted newest to oldest.